Hello, gorgeous people. It's a very cold morning. Today is like 38 Celsius or 38 Fahrenheit, not Celsius. You can look behind me. You can see what Japanese houses look like. Uh, I'm in the Asakusa area, or it's not Asakusa, Askasa. Forgot how to pronounce it. But I just finished Mario Kart, and that's like 3 or 4 streets back that way. And it was fun, but cold. As I said, it's like 30 something degrees Celsius Fahrenheit over here right now. So it's a nice little area. Quiet right in this area, as it says residential. See? Apartments, housing. And I did the hour-long package. I went on the website, I just Googled and found it, and it was like 20 something percent off discount. So yeah, I did that. And what was so so much fun is like I was with another person, and you have a guide in front, so you just follow the guide and he'll tell you when to stop, slow down, or how to ride in single file or two lines. So it was just me and another person though, Ryan from Australia, and he's good with go-karts because he has his own go-kart at home. And I'm like, I haven't ridden a go-kart in like 5 years since in a theme park. So let me just stay between you and the whatchamacallit, the guide. And that's what I did. And it was fun though. We did an hour, and I'm gonna show you guys this. Look at that little snowman. The snow still has not melted, and it has been. It's Friday, so Monday was when they had a snowstorm. It was the first time it snowed in Tokyo in like 3 years. I brought the snow from Korea. So yeah, but a little bit of the residential area. It's all those big apartments over there, housing. And what I do love about here, even when I went through a little residential area, it sort of gave me the feel of the Netherlands, with the fact that the bikes are everywhere, and the apartment buildings. Oh, it gives me quite a feel of being back in Europe, to be honest. I don't know where the heck I'm going. I'm not following my Google Maps because my Google Maps takes me all over the place, y'all. I mean, I'm like, why is this blue dot not moving? Why is it taking me in the opposite direction? So it's probably like an update I need for my phone. I don't know. But I actually took a taxi. Well, I think about $5.50 I paid for a taxi, US dollars, about 570 maybe yen, from the Asakusa station to here, and to the Mario Kart place. And it was about the taxi is that's expensive for me because in Malaysia or Korea, taxis start about $2 or like $2.30 maybe, whereas here they start at $4. So yeah, it is pricey, and that's what I spend most of my money on, has been Metro. So I should have invested in the unlimited cards. Definitely get those if you can. Look at all that snow. Look at all of that snow still. Beautiful, right? All right. So $10 for the day. $20 for the day for parking. So what do you have? Bike parking areas. Did I just do a big circle? I think I just did a big circle. I did do a big circle. Because that's the street Mario Kart is on. I just did a big circle. It's back down that way by the Family Mart. Oh, Genevieve, you cannot navigate yourself. C'est la vie. It's my vida. Alright, anyway, I'm just going to keep walking around. After today, I've pretty much done everything I wanted to do. While in Tokyo, I visited both Disney's, I visited Hello Kitty, the Hedgehog Cafe. I did the Mimikaki air cleaning, and here Mario Kart. So now it's just today and tomorrow, just my free days, and then I fly out Sunday morning. Yeah. All right, peace and love.